Can I access my Google Drive files on my external hard drive without an internet connection?
In this video, we'll discuss how to access your Google Drive files on an external hard drive without an internet connection. We'll break down the process into simple steps to help you understand the procedure better.
Can I access my Google Drive files on an external hard drive without an internet connection?
Yes, you can access your Google Drive files on an external hard drive without an internet connection, but you'll need to prepare your files beforehand. You'll need to download your files from Google Drive and save them to your external hard drive. Once that's done, you can access them anytime without needing an internet connection.
How do I download my Google Drive files?
To download your Google Drive files, follow these steps. 1. Open Google Drive on your computer while you're connected to the internet. 2. Select the files or folders you want to download. 3. Right-click on the selected items and choose Download. 4. Google Drive will create a zip file containing your selected files, folders. 5. Once the download is complete, extract the contents of the zip file.
How do I save the downloaded files to my external hard drive?
To save the downloaded files to your external hard drive, follow these steps. 1. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. 2. Open the external hard drive in your File Explorer. 3. Navigate to the location on your hard drive where you want to store the files. 4. Copy the extracted files, folders from your computer to your external hard drive.
Can I edit Google Drive files on my external hard drive without an internet connection?
Yes, you can edit your Google Drive files on your external hard drive without an internet connection. However, you'll need to use a compatible software to open and edit the files, such as Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, or any other software that supports the file format. Note that any changes you make while offline won't be synced to your Google Drive automatically. To sync your changes, you'll need to upload the updated files to Google Drive manually when you have an internet connection. In this video, we learned that you can access and edit your Google Drive files on an external hard drive without an internet connection. You just need to download and save the files to your external hard drive beforehand. Remember that any changes you make while offline won't be synced to your Google Drive automatically, so you'll need to upload the updated files manually when you have an internet connection.